Hi. As you can probably tell, we're not in our regular location. The studio where we normally record is closed due to the pandemic, so we're doing this now from the comfort of our own home.
We have something new to play with today.
What is it?
Squishy Circuits.
The people at Squishy Circuits provided us these fun kits for us to play with and show you what's in them. Now, we have 3 here. The light kit has the conductive dough, some LED lights, and a battery holder. This standard kit, the medium-sized one, has the same things, of course, plus a piezoelectric buzzer, more colors of conductive dough, an insulating dough, as well as a carrying pouch. And this big one here, the Deluxe Kit, has all of that, as well as some sculpting tools, an on-off switch, a motor, and a fan, even more colors of conductive dough. And let's see, a mechanical buzzer as well as a piezoelectric buzzer. So this one has everything. So we haven't opened these boxes yet, so we don't know exactly what's in it. What do you guys know about Squishy Circuits? What do you think it's like?
Well, I only think it's like you would make an animal, and then you would make the cords, and if those cords will make electricity go through the dough to make it do things.
So guys, what are you gonna make with these Squishy Circuits?
It's a surprise.
All right, let's open these up and see. Yeah. Should we open up the little one?
No.
No? How about the medium-sized one?
No.
Should we just go straight for the Deluxe Kit?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what's in here. Okay, why don't you open this up and see what it's got. Looks like a whole separate box in here. Mm.
You can't get it locked out of the box.
Yeah, it's a big, heavy one.
Yeah.
This, do you know what that says?
Dog.
Dough Kit.
Dough Kit.
Yes. Oh, this is...
Green lights.
I'm guessing those
Screw.
are LEDs.
This doesn't open up.
Purplish lights, it looks like, from the bag color. Propeller.
Green lights.
Red lights.
I'm gonna look at them.
Orange lights. Yellow lights. White lights.
Oh, so these LEDs out of the green package look clear. So I'm guessing it might be a surprise when each one lights up. You might not know what color it's going to be.
Why?
Because the color, well, let's look at the red ones. Move this to the side. Look at all those colors.
Probably white.
So white is just insulating.
Probably blue lights. And buzzer. Another buzzer.
Look, you can't tell.
Yeah.
Switch. Battery pack. Motor for the propeller. I'll put that on the rest of the way later. Then sculpting tools.
Well, that's a lot of stuff. So we have all of this conducting dough, but also some insulating dough. What would happen if we tried to make a circuit out of just the insulating dough?
That's what happened. The electricity doesn't go through it.
That's right. The electricity doesn't go through the insulating dough. Does it go through the conductive dough?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, if we just had the conductive dough and no insulating dough, just stuck everything into a blob of this stuff, would that work?
No.
Why not?
It would go right from the positive, or one of either the positive or the negative of the battery pack to the other one of the positive or negative of the battery pack.
That's
and
right.
Probably would not run one of our things.
It would be like trying to make a circuit with just one wire. So the conductive dough conducts electricity, and the insulating dough is useful to hold pieces of conductive dough separate. Let's see if we can make one of these LEDs light up. It'll be our starter project. So why don't you make a little ribbon of conductive dough, and you can make a ribbon of blue conductive dough, and I'll make a ribbon of this, I think somewhat stiffer, insulating dough to put between them.
I'll just make a lawn snake.
And I'll make a snake too.
I'll make a snake too.
All right. Now let's
gonna
move
be
these out of the way so everybody can see what we're creating here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna scooch that on the table too much.
Okay, you can just lay
My
it
hand's
down.
not getting dirty at all.
You can just lay them down here when you're done. You're going to gently spread apart these legs. They bend easily, but if they're like most LEDs, they probably don't want to be bent back and forth a lot of different times. Okay, can you place these here?
Okay. Nice little one.
Okay, and now, I don't know which is the positive and which is the negative, but since it's an LED, I can guess. And it won't hurt anything. Now, okay, you try putting this black one into the red, and you put this red one into the blue, okay?
Okay. I put this one into which color?
Into the red.
Okay.
And, okay. Hey, we guessed right. Look at that. Our first circuit. That lights up very nicely. Good job, guys.
There.
Now, if we wanted to swap out something else, we could probably use any of these other components in place of the LEDs, such as this.
We might even be able to use two at once.
Yeah.
Why don't we put the propeller on this motor, because otherwise nobody will be able to see whether it's working or not. Be very careful there.
Yep.
That's just a friction fit on the shaft.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Each of you put one of these on the side.
Where's I put this?
Onto the red. Yeah, you know what? I think it. Oh. That's not. Let's take out the LED. Okay, try this again. We'll try moving them closer to the power source.
Try putting this up.
Yeah. Ah, there it goes. Well, that's our basic circuit. Now you guys can go nuts and make something really exciting to surprise me with.
Dad, we have a surprise.
Oh boy. What is it? Huh. It's a sculpture. Tell me about this.
This is a little guy and this thing lights up.
Show me. And it blinks.
And this is another birthday cake I made, and I
I can
made
make
it
it.
for Hope.
Oh, cool.
You can make it blink and not blink
Okay.
on the slider switch from the battery pack.
That's very nice. And what is this that's attached here?
That's making the humming.
Yeah, that's making
Ah.
that's a buzzer.
Okay.
Um,
Oh, and noisemakers too. This is pretty cool, guys. So we've had some fun with this set here. If you go to the Squishy Circuits website, you can also find recipes for how to make your own conducting and insulating dough. We hope you'll join us again next month. See our website at geekpackhack.com, where adults can send us comments and get info on supplies and other project details. If you enjoy our show, we'd love it if you'd help us grow our channel by subscribing and giving us the thumbs up.